Hey everyone, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a super fast, delicious, and easy sopita de conchitas. This is my go-to sopa when I'm in a hurry and my kids are already starving. It's so easy to make. If you don't know how to, let me show you guys how. We're gonna start off by preparing the salsa for the sopa. I'm gonna be adding 2 Roma tomatoes, which I've already cut in half, 2 small garlic cloves, 1/4 of a white onion, and 1/2 of a jalapeño. We're also gonna add in 1 cup of water. And now we blend. We're gonna turn on the stove and set it on medium-high heat. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. And we gotta wait for the oil to heat up. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna be adding the soup. I'm gonna be using La Moderna shells. And we add a little bit of pepper. We fry it until it's golden. The soup has been frying for about 1 minute, and now it's time to add the salsa mix. After adding the salsa mix, I'm also gonna add 1/2 of a can of El Pato tomato sauce. I add this just to give it extra flavor. We're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We mix it, and I'm also gonna add an additional 3 cups of boiling water. This is a perfect time to check if you need more chicken bouillon or tomato bouillon, but for me, it's just right. Now we cover it up and let it cook for about 10 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes and I'm gonna check on the soup. Okay, it looks pretty good, but we still need to cook it for about 5 more minutes. It's been about 10 minutes and I think the soup is now ready. Okay, it is ready. It smells so good. We're gonna add some queso fresco. I used about 8 ounces. I'm also gonna add a small bunch of cilantro. Now we turn off the heat, cover it up, and let it sit for about a minute. Soup is now ready and I'm gonna serve myself a plate. And there you have it, delicious sopa de conchas. Okay, the moment of truth. Smells so good. This is just delicious. And it's so easy to make. Under 20 minutes. And my kids love sopa. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Bye.